Hello dear friends, idiomatic expressions. What is idiom? Idiom is a group of words with another meaning beyond the literal meaning of the each word, every word in the group. And idiomatic expressions are used in our languages to make the language more beautiful and more meaningful. Therefore, we use idiomatic expressions in our language. So, how to form and what will be the meaning of a particular idiomatic expression, that will be discussed today. I have written on the board idiomatic expressions with seasons. As usual, in our country, we feel 6 seasons. There are 6 seasons in our country. So these 6 seasons, they can form different idiomatic expressions. What are the expressions? Follow me, look at the board. It is written summer, monsoon, autumn, late autumn, winter and spring. This is the season cycle, one after another they are coming, and we feel in our country all this. First of all, we feel summer, that is January, February, there is the temperature is high. After this there is monsoon, there it will be raining. After this there is autumn, and late autumn, there is the puja occasions, and winter there is Christmas. After this there is spring. So whenever you are going to write a paragraph, I suggest you to use some idioms in your writing skill, and it will make the writing, that is paragraph or anything else, it may be story, it will be very beautiful. Therefore, what is idiomatic expression with summer? As usual, we say one swallow does not make a summer. One swallow does not make a summer. Swallow, it is a name of a bird, and one swallow that does not make a summer, that is if you think it is a good time, that is you have succeeded anywhere else, or the success that is with you think this is the good time and it will remain forever. But don't rely on this particular time, particular success, because it may not be forever. That is, you must not be certain that your good time will be forever. Okay, so one swallow does not make a summer. The meaning is you cannot rely on one time, one particular situation, one particular success. Okay, this is summer season with the idiom. Next, monsoon. As usual, during monsoon it rains, and it is rainy season. We can use when it is raining very heavily, a heavy shower. We can use an idiom like it has been raining cats and dogs since 8:30 a.m. It has been raining cats and dogs, that is, it is raining heavily. To mention heavy rain, we have used the idiom cats and dogs. Okay, after this autumn weather is very beautiful, comfortable, that is good time. Whenever you are in good time, that is autumn day. It was the autumn day when the president was there in our school. Autumn day, that is, it was the first time the president came to our school. That is famous or important thing, important when we want to mention any famous, that is most important thing in our life, that will be the uh, autumn day. Autumn day you will find in the life of Nelson Mandela, when he became the president. So that time it was the autumn day. Again, late autumn, that is after autumn there will be late autumn. During this time it is the weather is also very fine, but it is going to be winter. So late autumn, So we will find some expression in our poems also. Mile the mist upon the hill, there you will find, and at the same time, the snake, you will find there the idiomatic expression. Autumn's late autumn's gentle sky. That is, during this time, the autumn sky is very gentle. There is no more dark folded clouds. Okay, after this, that is winter. That is, if winter comes, can spring be far behind? There is another poem you will find. If winter comes, the spring will be far behind. That is, when you are facing some trouble, this is not forever. As usual, I have told you in summer. Again, winter, that is a hard time, is not forever. When there is difficulty, there is also good time, that is peeping, that is very near. So when winter comes, can spring be far? Spring must not be far behind. That is, good time is very near to you. Again, spring is the last season of the year, but it is not last, it is a cycle, it is a circle. So one after another it is rotating. So spring. So same sentence, if spring comes, if winter comes, can spring be far behind? Okay, so you can use spring in another sentence. That is, spring is the first flower to this earth. That is, spring, this particular season, brings plentifulness on this earth. That is, when there is the weather is very fine. Okay, we have discussed 6 seasons. At the same time, weather all depends on these 6 seasons. So we can use a fair weather friend, fair weather. That is, a friend who is for only good time. This is the friend, and we call him fair weather friend, a friend who is with you for the good time. In this way, we can learn many idiomatic expressions, and I will discuss all these idiomatic expressions in my next class. Okay, remember to subscribe my channel so that you can learn more idiomatic expressions. Thank you all.